Vegetables have a remarkable way of offering extensive benefits to your health, and broccoli is no exclusion. Regular consumptions of broccoli provides dozens, perhaps even hundreds, of supernutrients which support optimal, body-wide health. 1. Cancer prevention. Cancer is considered by the rapid growing of abnormal cells, beyond their normal boundaries, and is frequently related to oxidative stress. Broccoli is loaded with compounds that are supposed to have defensive effects against cancer. Research suggests that consumption of cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, is related to reduced risk of many cancers, which includes lung, breast, colorectal, prostate, gastric and pancreatic cancer. 2. Detoxification. Broccoli consists of vitamin C, sulfur and certain amino acids, which make broccoli a very good detoxifier. Broccoli consumption helps to eliminate free radicals as well as harmful toxins like uric acid from the body. 3. Skin care. Antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, along with other helper vitamins like vitamin B complex, vitamin E, vitamin A and K, omega-3 fatty acids, amino acids and folate are present in the broccoli, which helps to keep skin healthy and glowing. 4. Stomach disorders. Fiber is essential for healthy digestive system. Broccoli is rich in fiber or roughage, the crucial dietary component that can cure nearly all stomach disorders simply by curing constipation. As we all know that constipation is the root of almost all the stomach disorders. 5. Heart diseases. Apart from very high fiber content, broccoli consists of significant amounts of beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty acids and other essential vitamins which help to decrease bad cholesterol and keep the heart functioning appropriately by regulating blood pressure. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment. To watch more videos, click subscribe button.